to Ancient Wisdom Healing, and we're here to show you how to heal yourself. And my name is Kathy. This video begins a series called Energy 101, The Basics. So today we're going to be feeling and playing with energy. Energy is made up of everything. Light, sound, brain waves, thoughts, humans, plants, rocks, colors, everything you can think of, it's made up of energy. The cells in our body are biophotonic because they use light to communicate. So whatever you think you believe about how the universe came into being, there seems to be a design at work. I believe this is intentional. Now science has shown that matter, the real things, are tangible. The things that you can see, touch, smell, taste, those can all be produced and measured in a myriad of different ways. But at this point, an accepted way to measure the in-between has not been utilized. In space, science refers to that empty area between objects as dark matter, or sometimes they call it plasma. But in medieval times, it was called ether, and was given a place on the list of basic elements like earth, fire, water, air, and ether. Plato and his student Aristotle spoke of this element. Now, when people talk about sending you good vibes or thoughts and prayers, luck, love, all of those things, ether would be the transport system that these things are carried by. And for sensitive folks, this is felt on a really subtle level. Reiki is an energy practice where the practitioner places their hands above or on the client and manipulates or kind of helps the energy flow along through the body. Relaxation is usually the first thing that a person feels after that treatment or during that treatment. But there can be other signs that appear later on, such as in your blood work or an ease of movement after you've had this kind of treatment, when you start getting up and moving around. Now I want you to try this exercise with me. I want you to slowly, lightly rub your hands together, just like this. And then just pull your hands slightly apart and feel that little buzz in between that you can kind of feel there, and you can kind of push on it a little and then pull it out, pull your hands out more so that you can still feel that connection, and get them out a little bit longer, and then kind of push in a little bit and see that kind of resistance there. It want to push back on you, doesn't it? Try it. And then pull your hands out more and kind of push in more and push in, and just feel that resistance. And it seems to be the same amount of resistance no matter how far apart your hands go. Notice that. And just keep on doing that. Now you have made a ball of energy. So now we get to play with it. And I want you to remember this sensation, and perhaps you're even feeling it in the rest of your body. But you can fill this ball of energy with love. You can just breathe it into it, or think about love, think about who you're going to be sending that love to, or just out into the world in general. And then you can just kind of hold the ball really tight, feel that resistance there, fill it full of your love, and then just send it out into the world. I'm sending it all out to you watching this video. So now take this little exercise and just kind of play with it and feel that in between your hands, and you can notice where you feel it in your body as well. And then we'll talk to you on the next video. Okay? Bye.